Alô? Alô?
Hey, Kathy. How's it going? Is it all coming together? What? You haven't found a single person? Oh, come on. The talent show's tomorrow. What are we going to do? Okay, look. I've got this written down on my computer, okay? Now, write this down, okay? Just write it down. Just write it down. Thank you. I want this show to be nonviolent, first of all, because kids are going to be watching. No violence. I also want someone to teach the viewers how to exercise. They can use a ball. They can use anything like sit-ups, something similar to that. You know, it would really be nice if we could show someone getting a massage, and you know how relaxing that can be. So we can have them getting a massage and just have them be very expressive. And I think that puts people in a good mood. Yeah, we also need to get into the swing of things. So we need someone who can dance, someone who might be able to do some fancy whistling, maybe playing the drums. Another thing is we might want to bring wheels into this. Okay, so someone, you know, riding a bicycle perhaps. And finally, we can have somebody that likes to play games and will be a little, you know, talented when they do so. Maybe they like to go shopping. So show how they use a shopping cart to go shopping, or maybe taking out the trash, or perhaps, you know, at an arcade or bowling, something like that. That's it. That's all I need. If you write that down and work hard on it, okay? All right, Kathy, thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.